Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can zoom in your pictures on WordPress. So let's get right into it. So if you want, you can add pictures to your site and you can do so within the site editor. However, within the site editor, you don't really have any, excuse me, you don't really have any options to zoom in your pictures natively. So let me just demonstrate it in a moment. So if I go, for example, into this page and I go here and add an image block, if I go here, I can very easily go like that. And as you can see, you can insert a picture from URL, upload it, do whatever you want. So let's say I want this picture. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. However, if I click on the picture itself, there really is no way to zoom it in or zoom it out. I can change it in a couple of different ways. However, there really is no way to do it. You could possibly just downscale the image, but that is a bit harder to do. Now, as I've mentioned, you can downscale the image, and that is the best free option that you have. Just go ahead and downscale or upscale the image in a third-party software. You have programs on the internet that will help you zoom in or out images, which you can then upload onto your site, and that is pretty much the best way that you can zoom in or zoom out images. Now, if you want to do it all through WordPress, you are going to need a subscription for WordPress. You're going to need the business plan or up, so you have access to plugins. And in plugins, you should just search for whichever app works for you. So picture zoom, you can search for something else. And as you can see, you have Elementor add-ons and templates, you have Photo Gallery, you have HubSpot. You can use whatever you want. There are a lot of these plugins which you can freely use. However, most of them, of course, for all of them rather, you will need a paid for subscription to WordPress. Some of them might not even be free. Some of them might need to have a subscription of their own. So I would just recommend that you go and upscale or downscale, zoom in or zoom out your images with a third-party software, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.